Hi, I'm Federico from Visiontech, and today I want to talk to you about SYNCRORES coatings for tooth belts. SYNCRORES coatings can be applied to every type of tooth belt's external backs. These compounds, compact or expanded with different levels of hardness and density, offer different degrees of surface friction based on the conveyed product. The SYNCRORES series includes natural synthetic, expanded anti-abrasive, anti-oil, anti-cut, anti-static rubbers, as well as anti-adherent and anti-scratch polymers, and some of these are compliant with the FDA specifications for food contact. Advantages: it is possible to realise partial cuttings such as holoscott holes, Holnesfer slots or carvings in drawings. We customise the external surfaces of the belts even with bicomposed coatings of different hardness or density. Still respecting the working characteristics of the product, we can realise vulcanization processing between the belt and the compound, which can grant resistance loads higher than 2 kg per square centimetre. Fields of application: the SYNCRORES coatings find great use in every industrial, automation and packaging sector. It's possible to download the technical catalogue from our website visiontech.it and to consult the section dedicated to the dimensioning calculation of the pulley's minimum diameter according to a total coating width. For more information, you can visit our website visiontech.it. Thank you and see you soon.